I'm Scott Jackson. I'd like to introduce you to a program that we developed at the MH Companies called Projects Direct. Projects Direct was designed to speed up the process for you to get quotes on lighting fixtures, lighting controls, equipment, and services by providing a single point of contact for all your project quote needs. No matter what your station in today's construction industry, you're most likely trying to get more done with fewer resources than ever before. That's a sign of the times. At the same time, the complexity of today's project is ever increasing. Just from a lighting perspective, the changes are staggering. Gone are the days of simple lighting fixtures where all we had really concerned ourselves with was getting the number of lamps and the voltage correct. Now we're dealing with things like tuned fixtures with various ballast factors and multiple lamp types and wattages, linear fixture systems that require full takeoffs and field coordination. We have onboard controls, building-wide controls, room controls, combinations of these. We even have wireless control systems using a mesh network approach. The list goes on and on. Now, to put all these components and parts and systems together properly, where they will work the way that the project designers intended, requires a comprehensive and systemic approach. The way we see it, the only responsible way to price such systems is to study the plans and specifications, converse with the design team as needed, come up with a comprehensive parts list, and then coordinate that list to make sure everything works together and that it will work with any outside system that we might have to interface with. All this before we can even think about pricing. As you can imagine, this responsible approach takes a good amount of time. So the sooner we get the information we need, the sooner we can produce an accurate quote so you can then finish your job. That's where Projects Direct comes in. You can now send all your lighting fixture and lighting control quote requests to one email address, projectsdirect@mhlighting.com. As soon as you do that, the process will begin. Our dedicated team will immediately begin to analyze the quote request and will decide if it's within our capabilities and field of expertise. If it is, a quotes person will be assigned and the wheels will start turning. You'll then be advised of who that quotes person is so you can communicate directly. If it isn't a project that we feel we can help you with, we'll let you know that as quickly as possible and what the problem might be. Once the process is started, our team of salespeople, quotes people, and controls engineers will work to assemble a comprehensive bill of materials and pricing quote for you. Of course, the more complete the request is, the better we'll be able to respond. Here are the key things we're looking for. A full set of e-sheets and specifications is ideal and can save a lot of back and forth communication. From these, we can glean a whole host of information in one shot. We can get the official job name, the specifier information in case we need any clarifications, fixture row information, controls layout information, etc. Next, your lighting fixture and occupancy sensor count should be included. These are obviously highly important for putting together an accurate quote. Also, let us know when you need your pricing by so we can schedule accordingly. And if you want the pricing to come through a particular wholesale distributor, please let us know which one and who your contact is so we can coordinate properly. Remember, it doesn't matter who you are, general contractor, electrical contractor, wholesale distributor, even if you're a specifier of lighting products like an architect, an engineer, an interior designer who needs to establish a budget, if you're in a position to send us the information we need to put a quote together, you're welcome to send it in. Don't worry, we'll help figure out the logistics of getting you that pricing through whatever channels are appropriate or necessary. So that's it, Projects Direct. It's designed to streamline the quoting process and get you the pricing you need, accurately and on time. We invite you to try it on your next project and let us show you what we can do for you. Again, that email address is projectsdirect@mhlighting.com. On behalf of all of us at the MH Companies, thanks for taking a minute to listen, and please give Projects Direct a try. I think you'll find it to be well worth your time.